Marnie here from Fair Sun Farm. I just thought I would do a quick video to show you guys around some different areas on the farm. So yeah, there goes. This is the view from our front field. This is our driveway on the other side of these beds here. These are strawberries. This is coming up to our barnyard and our greenhouse, and our house is behind the trees there. So these are the original beds that were here when we moved in. We've expanded them. We've got lots planted. Lots of lettuce, romaine. These are cover crops over in the far fields where it's yellow. And then we've got some tarps. And this is frost cloth or bug netting, depending on which crop is underneath. There's Pat. Here we've got some zucchinis and kale, kohlrabi, romaine, and then as you look out, that's our hayfield and the road. So I'll take you into the greenhouse now. It's going to be a little bit loud with the fans, but you'll get a good idea of just how many tomatoes we have growing. We've got different varieties of tomatoes. These will be some red slicing tomatoes. And over here we've got some cherries that are just starting to turn. And we use this plastic, on the one side it's black and on one side is white. So we put the white side up because it will reflect sunlight back to the plants. And we keep it down so that there aren't any weeds growing up, and we put compost under there so there's lots of fertility. So this is the new greenhouse that we put up this year. It's a bit smaller and we've still got the scaffolding up. But we've got tomatoes and we've got lots of peppers. These peppers will be trellised with these sticks of rebar. We will use twine or string and we'll sort of weave it through the pepper plants so it works really well to hold them up. And then if we go out the end here, you can see our third greenhouse over here, and our truck. So we just pulled out most of the lettuce that was in here. Well, I guess all the lettuce. And we've got more peppers and our cucumbers. Our cucumbers are trellised with this string. So by the end of the season they'll be really tall. And these peppers here have the same system as the other one. We'll weave it with some string or some twine. So we've got kohlrabi, we've got lettuce, and where the tarps are, those were the first turnip and radish beds that were outside. So we have mowed them down and we'll put the tarp on there, and then we'll do another succession of plantings in a few weeks. We've got beets here, and yeah, you can see the weeds are starting to take over where they can. Romaine, green onions. This is the romaine we've been harvesting. And here we've got some turnips and some radishes under the bug netting. And this is the caterpillar tunnel, so it's kind of like a mini greenhouse. And we had the spinach in there, but now it's all, this is spinach here that's gone to seed. But the rest of it is peppers. And we have basil that was just planted in the distance there. It seems like we have a lot of peppers, but we do have different kinds of peppers, so I hope everyone likes peppers. These are the snap peas. They're starting to come. You can see there's lots on there. Those are really yummy. And we've got kale here, purple kale, green kale. And this is chard. Some of it is white and some of it is rainbow colored, like there's pink and yellow, but the white seems to be doing a lot better than the colorful stuff, so you'll probably get white more often. Some growers only do the white kind because it's apparently is sweeter, so you'll have to decide that for yourselves. And this is our garlic here. And this is a small little greenhouse with roses in it. So you can see some of them are blooming now. And this is a patch of rhubarb. Oh, there's lots of rhubarb out right beside the snap peas. And that's our house. So yeah, that's what I've got for a tour for today.